Hi guys, welcome back to British Life channel. And this is your lovely vlogger. Alright, so today we are doing a mini unboxing for both Amazon and Shein. Right? And there's a few things there. But guys, remember before we get started, remember to like, subscribe, and share the video. I'm sorry, we can't comment. Right, so we are going to start off with, let's say, a small package. Actually, Shein. So I got this. I'm gonna tag the other picture. Alright, so I bought this bra on Shein. I didn't know my size, but for some reason I got this. It was because I had regular bras and they were squeezing. So for plus size girls or big boob girls, you can get these bra. Very comfortable, no back rolls. I put their back rolls. Very super comfortable. Right? You can get this on Shein. I think it was like about $4, $3. I don't even remember. Also I have also got my shoes from Shein. Right, so for this, I want to add the picture as well. This is what it's looking like. I hope you see that. It is looking gorgeous. It is looking gorgeous. Right, so let me just take it out so you all can see it right now. This is what it's looking like. This is what it's looking like. That's what it's giving. This is what it's looking like. This is what it is looking like. And this is a size 41, and it's looking like a size 9 actually. So yeah, that's what it is. That's one to go. And we're on to Amazon. This is a quick video actually. So in this one I have my skincare package. I don't know what these words are, but I have my skincare package. It's from One Skin, and you got a lot of, I don't know what is in this book. You got One Skin, and let me just show you what's in this. This is what it's looking like. Okay, so we have a little pamphlet, and the little pamphlet shows here. Okay, so we have that. Let's go down to see what else is. So we have one skin typical supplement, and this one is for high. This is what you use for your eye bags. Yes, eye bags, skin. Underneath, you gently tap the semicircle. Get rid of those baby eyes. So you have the One Skin face. Right? This is what you use as a daily moisturizer. Here's daily moisturizer. Oh, let me show you what it looks like. I just forgot to have that. Just going back to it. So, why don't I know. I'm gonna use this phone because people are right here and I'm trying to record and the family be loaded on me. So yeah. So for the one face, this is what it's looking like. This is what it's looking like. So yeah. Also drop the link below so that you guys can go ahead and purchase this from the Amazon store, Amazon vendor that I got this from. This is what the hide looks like. This is one an eye. This is what you use for the small bodies. Okay. Then we have the body. One skin body supplement. This is used as a layer to face cream. This is what you use after bathing, you say. Guys, please don't watch my nails. We're trying to help for this time being. So yeah, I've done my nails in the last 6 months after. Last 6 months I haven't done my nails. Alright, this is the body. This is what that body looks like. It looks like a regular skin lotion. It doesn't have a smell. This is what it looks like. White cream. That's what it looks like. And then we have the face cleanser. This is what we use to cleanse our faces. You know, after a makeup session in our skincare routine. Yeah, currently I'm doing for my skincare routine. I'm only using apple cider vinegar with cotton cloths. That's what I've been using. I haven't used any other skincare product. Yeah, I haven't got my skincare product. So this is what we are looking like. This is what we're looking like for the facial cream. Alright. That's it for our skincare project. One skin. Remember guys, one skin. And what over. Oh. I got some food here. So I also got these Bonta Rose Maya. And this is a air gold soap serum. Air gold serum. These are bought this for here. Try from my hair. Because as you can see here, I'm missing right here. And here, going back. Because I decided to cut my hair. For some reason, I don't know why. But I decided to cut my hair mud out and I was thinking that would me back. So how about this to try it out? And then maybe in the next video I drop, you will see that progress right here. Yeah, so how about this to use in my hair? Alright. So I have a few items from Shein. I love them jewelry. So it is a ring. Right? That's it. So you can't fit on any of the fingers. So this is the one you just wear. That's the one. Alright. That one. And this is a necklace. This is a necklace. Right. This is just a second one. Comes with a initial on it. It comes with an initial. This is just a second light. The quality given, you know. I will drop the Shein store that I bought it from. This is another one. I think this one comes with a set earrings. That's it. Yeah. So this one is set earrings. Oh, no. Don't you care? No. This is what she's looking like. I don't know why it's not telling me so I can show it. We have to bring it. This is what she's looking like. Cute. Little nice. Alright. And then you come with a pair of earrings. So these are the earrings that go with the necklace that I just showed you guys. They're cute. Cute with the bead earrings. With the blue. This. Yeah. Lovely cute with the earrings. See? Oh, see? Very cute. For this one. For this one, I love this because it's giving. It's the funky. I can't have a funky guys. So, I want you to make this. Right? Right. So this is a bracelet. Bracelet. The ring. The ring. Right. Keep touching. Then we have a set of. We have another two set of bracelets. We have two pair of earrings. And a cute little necklace. A cute little necklace. So that's that for jewelry. My next Amazon package. So for this, I was not recommended, actually I was looking for some pills because I wasn't feeling well. I have low iron and I seem to can't take the pills, so I was looking options to get the gummy bear or liquid form of the pill. So I went on Amazon and I found this. Based on the reviews that I saw on Amazon, it shows that it is very efficient for persons that are iron deficient, like myself, and that have low iron and so forth. So I actually got this just now, and I would like to try it out. see if it actually works. That's what I don't do. It either makes me very lazy, nauseous, and can't do anything, which is should be the opposite. Should be allowing me to do everything I want to do. So I don't take any tablets that later red pill to take. So I found the next best thing they sell on Amazon is this iron gummy. So I'm gonna try it out. Come back to you guys and let you know that how it works. And you also can do add it as a subscribe and save, where essentially like every other month or every 6 months when you know that this will done. Right? Alright. That one. Alright. So this one. This one is a total detox of cellulite and corona and whatever. So this one is to detox metallic foods or metallic taste of the whole system, or metallic or iodine or those stuffs. So zinc. So why the reason why I bought this was because I realized that when I'm eating food and it's like a lot of foods for me, it tastes very metallic. Like there is some type of iron in my mouth, and like, why does food taste that way? And then I went to research it, and someone recommended this to me from Amazon again, to use this to get rid to do the metallic taste out. So I'm gonna try this out and guys let you know again how does it work, because I really think this should help me with us with the metallic tastes of foods. Like, I don't know why I didn't have a metallic taste, but yeah, that one is for that. And lastly, finally, I have this thermogenic fat burn. Alright, so I don't know if you guys, so you guys want to see me body wise, you need to see my overall body. I am overweight for my height and for my age. So I was looking ways to, lose weight without doing gym or major diet, because having a strict diet is costing a lot, and I'm not yet, I'm not yet to reach that point where I can have a strict diet. I put myself on a strict diet in Jamaica. I have to work with what I have because my budget doesn't touch that. So I was looking for that, and also I can't afford gym membership. So yeah, I look for the best option. Someone recommended this on Amazon as well. She was coming from about 350 to about 2 something, and she took this like within 1 month, and she was like losing weight rapidly. She says that it was working out for her perfectly for her. So I was like, okay, I will try it out and see if it actually works for me, because my metabolism is that it I do lose weight fast, but that wasn't when I was younger. Now it's that I don't do that anymore. I don't burn fat anymore. Like, I've been of an age now where I don't burn fat anymore. So I do need to lose weight because I don't like this body weight. I do want to go back down to the size that I was. So I'm gonna try this out to see if it actually works out best for me. So yeah, this is the last product I have to review, and I would like to say thank you guys again for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment always. And remember, I will tell for a wonderful new year, and I will tell for a wonderful 2025. And remember that whatever you do for 2025, remain humble, peaceful, and patient. And always remember God. Bye.